Hi everyone, welcome back to Awesome Crafter. Today in this video I'm going to show you how we're going to make a pom-pom using just a ball of wool and a pair of scissors and our fingers. It's super quick and easy. Let's get going. So to start with, I'm going to cut the piece of wool and I'm just going to place it in between my two fingers. So this is going to be needed at the end. Now I'm going to get the wool and I'm going to start wrapping it round all four of my fingers. Now you don't need to do 4 fingers, you could do 3 fingers or 2 fingers, it depends on what size you want your pom-pom to be, and then you would just move this piece of wool accordingly. So I'm going to aim to wrap it around approximately 100 times. This could be done more or less depending on how big and fluffy you want your pom-pom to be. And while I'm doing it, I'm going to keep doing it and trying to keep the wool even so there's not like a thicker chunkier bit in the middle. So we're just going to keep wrapping and keep moving it across, going from side to side, trying to keep it as even as possible. When you want your pom-pom to the thickness that you require, we're just going to cut off the excess piece of wool. And then we're going to take the wool that's in the middle of our fingers and we're going to wrap it round, and this is what we're going to use to tie our pom-pom. Then carefully we're going to try and tie it in a knot just to hold all the wool together in place, just like so. Then we're going to slide it off our fingers and tie that nice and tight. We can do a double knot, then we know it won't come undone. Then I'm just going to turn it over and tie it on the other side as well. Just like so. Keeping it nice and tight so it holds all our wool together. And then we're just going to get our scissors and we're going to start cutting through the loops. We're not going to worry if there's any longer bits or anything because we can sort those out afterwards. Just going to keep going all the way around, making sure we've got all the loops cut. Missed a few there, look. We can always go back and just do a double check to make sure you've got them all. Then we can fluff up the pom-pom. And then once that's done, then you've got your opportunity then to go round and trim any of the excess pieces to make it look more even. Just give them a bit of a trim off. And there you have, oh, missed a few. And there you have a nice fluffy pom-pom ready for any crafts that you wish to make with it. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye!